Welcome to Waffles. Are you ready for the videos? 25 days of Christmas. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Please and thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a cooking video, and today we'll be having chicken and waffles. So of course I've made some I got chicken tenders and stuff, chicken wings, and of course I'm going to be making some homemade waffles. So yeah, my oil's in my pan. Let me go ahead and turn this on. And I got my flour here, and I got my chicken here. And yeah, so we're going to wait till this gets hot, and then we're going to start frying. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. Oh, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. That way you know if I want to post. So stay tuned.